Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful house for paper dolls. Let's see what's inside. The house is made in a summer style. It has a lot of greenery and beautiful rooms. There is a living room in soft pink tones with yellow furniture, a kitchen with panoramic windows and a large dining table, and a beautiful tea set, a large bathroom with candles and perfumed creams, and also a bedroom with table and mirror where the dolls can do makeup. It is very easy to make, and now I will show you everything in more detail. You will need a house template. You can find the link in the description of this video. Also, you will need double-sided tape to attach the parts, glue and scissors. In the template you will find 2 pages with dolls, 1 page with moving dolls and the other one with standard paper dolls. For example, if you don't have mini brats, you can always choose which doll you want to print. For the moving dolls, you will need mini brats. The size which I use you can see on the screen. I'll show you how to make holes with the brats using a handy tool, but you can also use a needle if that's easier for you. To laminate pages, you can use either transparent tape or lamination film, both work great. You can choose matte or glossy lamination film, it won't affect the result, so use iron or laminating machine if you have one. I will not laminate this page and this detail because I need them to bend the parts. Once you have everything ready, it's time to put on some calming music or a good movie and start cutting out the details. Glue walls of living room on a first stripe which not laminated. To attach the parts, take double-sided tape, cut a piece and stick it to the part. Then attach the furniture parts with double-sided tape. You can do it the same way as I do or however you want. Now let's assemble the kitchen. Attach chairs and table with double-sided tape, and in the same way add other accessories. You can arrange the objects and furniture as you like, so this is a great gift for both children and adults who love crafting. Now let's assemble the bathroom. Make a cut with a stationary knife for the toilet lid and glue it with double-sided tape. Attach all the necessary parts with double-sided tape. Glue the toothbrush and toothpaste parts together. Assemble the walls in the bedroom in the same way. Add blanket and chair and other details which dolls can use. Let's assemble our house. Fold the living room in half. Glue the left side of the kitchen on top. Then fold and glue the bathroom part. Fold again and glue the bedroom. Glue the cover and binding part. Make sure the pattern matches. Glue the cover to the resulting book with rooms and then glue the back side of the cover. The summer house is ready. Now let's make the dolls. Start by gluing the arm pieces together. Make holes in the shoulders and elbows where are the marks shown. Use mini brats to fasten the joints, trimming the ends for safety. Repeat for the other arm. Fasten the back part of the body and arms at the shoulders in the same way. Don't forget to trim the ends of the mini brats. Once the arms are done, glue the body and arms together. Make holes in hips and attach the upper leg pieces to the body. Trim the ends of mini brads with scissors. Glue the hip pieces to the doll. Make holes in the doll's knees where are the marks shown. Secure the knees with mini brads. Finally glue the remaining pieces and our doll is ready. Now let's dress her in a beautiful outfit. While we're making boy, our girl can go for a walk. Now dolls can meet and settle in a new house. I also wanted to add a garden for the house with a pool where dolls can relax on a warm summer evening. This template is an addition to the house and you can download it for free from the link in the description of this video. To arrange the furniture, use double-sided tape. Just cut a piece, glue it to the detail and then attach it where you want. You can glue the pieces together if you want, or you can just lay them out with the house and play with the dolls. The edges of the house, pool and garden house match up, so you get a large play area. And when playtime is over, everything can be easily folded together for easy storage. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy and happiness, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!